The National Weather Service has issued an early earthquake warning for the following counties/areas: San Francisco Bay Area, and San Diego. This earthquake was reported near north of San Francisco. This earthquake is expected to hit the San Francisco area at 6:57 p.m. local time. When the earthquake hits, the best area to be is under a sturdy table or desk for cover. This is the end of the EAS activation.
Barely, by inches, just misses a home run. Candy Maldonado with the hesitation, allowing Jose Canseco to score, and he fails to get Dave Parker at second base, so the Oakland A's take
I'll tell you what, we're having an